Welcome to my Spain apartment tour. Here's the front door that leads into the kitchen. Here we have a sink, stovetop, and a little bit of counter space. In this drawer we have the trash can and the recycle bin, and some containers with kitchen supplies as well. Here's the refrigerator. There is some juice, some water, some soda, lots of chocolate, yogurt, and some leftovers from the night before. Here's the freezer, and there's just a bag of ice inside. Now we have the microwave and some more cabinet space. In this cabinet we have plates, bowls, glasses, and anything else you may need. Now we have the cabinet full of snacks and also a toaster and bags for grocery shopping. Here's a sneak peek of the microwave that I didn't know how to use for a long time. Next to the front door is a sliding glass door. Welcome to my glamorous bathroom. We have a nice glass shower. The toilet, the sink, this beautiful mirror with perfect lighting, and of course my bathroom essentials. Here we have a nice full body length mirror. And here's a look at the apartment as a whole. Here's the bed. It overlooks the living room area of the loft. And here's my closet. I have some blankets, some personal hygiene products, towels, accessories, notebooks, laundry detergent, and grocery bags. There's also an iron and shoe boxes for your shoes, and a little dresser if you wanted to put any clothes inside. This view is amazing. It actually overlooks a university, but you can see some of the city in the background. Here we have the little bar area. There's an espresso machine, sugar, Nespresso cups, the cups for your drink, and also coasters. This couch is amazing. It sleeps so comfortably. Here's a look at my coffee table. It's very simple. And here's a look at the other side of the view. Now I'm showing you how I block out the sunlight when I want to take a nap or when it's time to go to bed and I don't want to see the sun wake me up in the morning. This is what the apartment looks like when the shade is closed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Gracias por ver. Adios.